I'm with Quinton here at Clarity Enhancement Lab in New York City's Diamond District. Recently I've been getting so many inquiries to shoot emeralds, people asking me what emeralds look like inside the GemLightbox. Where better to go to come to Clarity Enhancement Labs, where they have some of the world's most beautiful emeralds. So Quinton here will tell us a little bit more about Clarity Enhancement Lab and the emeralds that they have here.
Hello everyone. As you know, I'm Quinton Garzone of Clarity Enhancement Laboratory, and what we do is we provide a service to the industry where we take people's gemstones and we clean and we treat them with what we call the XL process, which is a resin, and that helps enhance the clarity of emeralds. Now, a lot of people in our industry, to help better explain to them what happens to their stones, we want to give them before and after, so they can see it for themselves, since it's very difficult to just show them every step of the process. When we were presented with the GemLightbox, it was a very unique product that caught our eye, and we thought that this would help us a lot with helping show customers what the before and after of what their stones would be before treatment and after treatment. So it was great. It's something that we've been using now for a while, and a lot of the customers have appreciated this product, and it really helps them and really helps the photo and the video quality of seeing the stone in the best kind of light without having to block out all the windows, and it gives you a nice stationary amount of light where you don't have to worry about anything else, and it's simple and easy to use, and it's really been appreciated a whole lot here at CEL, and a lot of our customers have appreciated it too as well.
So let's jump straight into a demonstration. We'll show you what they look like inside the GemLightbox. Okay guys, so over here we've got a Panjshir Emerald. It's 3.87 carats, and as you can see, if you take an up-close shot of this, there's some inclusions which we want to try capture inside the GemLightbox. So emerald goes in to the GemLightbox just like that. Make sure it's in the center. Reflector goes on. We place our smartphone in the center of the GemLightbox and zoom in. We adjust the phone stand. Once the emerald is centered, we tap to focus. Increase the brightness until we get a beautiful white background, and we tap to record. Now, each of our LED lights inside the GemLightbox has been color calibrated to give true color accuracy when you're recording videos and taking photos of your gemstones. Okay, so as you can see, just like that, we've captured a 15-second 360 video of this 3.87 carat Panjshir Emerald. We save this into our gallery. Now, the second feature that I want to show you guys is that we've got a daylight feature over here. Simply tap that to turn on, and what that does is that it brings out daylight colors inside the GemLightbox. So most emerald dealers like to use this feature because it brings out additional and richer colors of the emerald. As you can see, just like that, we're able to capture the light green colors that Panjshir emeralds are known for. So the second emerald we have here is free of inclusions. Let me get this out to show you what it looks like. So as you can see, this emerald's free of inclusions. This goes into the GemLightbox. and we tap to record. As you can see, we get really beautiful crystals, very accurate color, and clarity is absolutely amazing. So another feature we have here is that you can add the SKU of the emerald directly into the phone. So if this one's a 4.57 carat emerald, we can simply type 4.57 carats emerald, and this renames the file image as that name I've just typed in. Here we have an emerald specimen. It has very deep vivid green colors, as you can see. Just by looking with the naked eye, you can kind of make out the slight inclusions on the top, surface and inside the emerald. So once the emerald's in the center, we tap the red button to record. To achieve a complete white background, we simply turn daylight off, and same as before, just tap to record. You can choose to switch daylight on or off, depending on if you want to capture a white background or a richer and more vivid green color in your emeralds. My recommendation is to take a video of each. Okay, so our final piece we're going to be shooting. Okay, so for this pear shape, we're going to stand it up inside the GemLightbox using a little bit of jeweler's wax. So to do that, we simply take jeweler's wax, we place it into the center of the GemLightbox. We stand it up like so. Make sure that the pear-shaped emerald's in the center, and we press to record. I would recommend taking videos of any pear-shaped gemstone standing up, as it gives more details of the gemstone. For this emerald, you can see the clarity, luster, and inclusions very clearly. You can also use less jeweler's wax than I have if you're taking a more professional video for your clients or uploading the videos to social media or your website. Now we'll shoot another video using daylight. Same as before, you can see all inclusions. Daylight makes the color of the emerald look more lively and lustrous. So, just like that. Another angle that we can use to shoot the emerald is from the top. So to show you how that works, we simply remove the top GemLightbox cover. Position our phone on the top of the GemLightbox. And we simply hold the emerald using the tweezers and press record. Gemstone dealers like capturing emeralds using this angle as it is a very quick and easy way to capture the true color, clarity and liveliness of the emerald to send to customers. So just like that, we've saved a video into the gallery. The videos we've recorded saved into the gallery here. And from the gallery, we can select the videos that we want to send to our customers. Simply press the export button and choose what platform you want to upload or send your emeralds on.